Okay, so hi dear Gemini, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Gemini Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 20th of April till the 4th of May. Rules can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. You'll find the links below for the best healing modality, Ho'oponopono, and for the self-love 30 days challenge course. Links are given below in the description box. So let's start, Gemini. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Let's see what we have. The sun. This is the happiest card in the whole deck. So this is somebody who feels very happy, very charming, very happy-go-lucky, you can say. Whenever they think about you, they feel like you are the real happiness. Okay, wow, beautiful. Let's clarify the sun as their feelings for you, honey. Two of Swords, the Moon card, and the Knight of Cups. They feel like they don't have any kind of doubt now that you are the real happiness, or you really make them happy. There's no doubt in that. There is no secret in that. There's no mystery in the situation anymore. This person is feeling like coming towards you with some kind of like peace offering, love offer, or a beautiful apology, communication, or something like that, because this person is feeling quite clear in their heart and soul that you really make them happy. For some of you, they might be hiding something from you, and they feel like right now is the right time for them to come towards you and reveal everything to you, whatever they were hiding. Maybe their feelings, maybe they were not sure, maybe their like insecurity or whatever, but this person is now feeling they are clear enough regarding the feelings that they have for you, regarding the emotions, and they feel like coming forward towards you with some kind of opening up the gates of their heart and becoming vulnerable in front of you in some way. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Gemini? We have the Magician. So from your side, you feel like manifesting something here. You are consciously working on some kind of manifestation, and you feel like you are going to do whatever it takes to make this manifestation happen. Let me clarify the Magician as, like, let's see what's happening. What are you trying to manifest here? We have the Ace of Pentacles, the Five of Cups, and the Three of Swords. You feel like having a brand new beginning in certain areas of your life, including your career, and you feel like coming out of the pain, the disappointments, the heartbreaks, the betrayals that you have gone through till this point of your life, especially in your love and relationship area, but includes your other areas of your life too, right? So you feel like manifesting a brand new beginning, not only in your love and relationship area, but in actually every area of your life with stability. And coming out of this pain, coming out of this betrayal, coming out of feeling heartbroken. So you feel like manifesting a brand new life, where the pain is over, the guilt is over, and you are having a clean slate. Cool. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Six of Swords. This person wants to move on towards calmer water and find a peaceful solution to the problem that you guys are facing in the situation. They want to let go of the past baggages from the situation. Okay? They definitely want to find a peaceful solution here, resolution to the problem. Let me clarify the Six of Swords here, honey. Okay. So they want to remove the obstacles and challenges from the situation, and they want to come forward towards you. Like this person wants to run towards you with some kind of solution. It's like they want to let go of the guards. like keep their guards down, or like keep okay putting the guards down and coming forward towards you with some kind of solution to the problem that you guys are facing. So basically, this person wants to remove all the obstacles or challenges that you guys are facing in the situation, and they want to come forward towards you with some kind of clear cut solution. Like, this is the solution. Let's work. Let's do it. Let's this kind of energy. Okay. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Gemini? What's happening, honey? Hierophant. So I think right now you just want to concentrate on your own energies and on your own growth of connecting with your higher self and growing spiritually. And for others of you, if not that, you want to have committed kind of relation, commitment, marriage, long-term partnership, spiritual kind of connection. For you, let me clarify the Hierophant. You're manifesting your divine counterpart, and you just want to be with them only right now. You just don't want any more lessons or any more ifs and buts or conflicts or confusions. Okay, let's clarify the Hierophant, honey. We have the Four of Cups and the Ten of Swords. Yeah, see, you don't want any kind of confusion, you don't want any kind of disappointment whatsoever in your love and relationship area anymore, and you just want to move to the chapter of your life where you are going to be connected to your divine counterpart. For most of you, for others of you, you want to go on your spiritual path and let the universe decide for you whatever is good for your highest good. Perfect. Your intentions are really very, very beautiful, Gemini. May you get what you're like wanting, what you're manifesting here. It's really beautiful. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 4th of May, honey, in this area, in this situation. Could be the possible outcome. Okay. We have the Judgment in reverse, not being able to let go of something or someone out of your life, out of your system, the way you want. Let me clarify the Judgment in reverse. You will be in this energy of waiting and waiting and waiting for something or someone to get out of your system, and boom, you are going to be finding yourself in this energy of missing someone or something very, very badly from your past, and maybe ending up connecting with them again. And or suddenly out of the blue, a past person, a past lover will show up in your life. The moment you are going to feel, okay, now they're out of my life, out of my system, now everything is over, boom, they are coming back around. Maybe them or their memories are going to be like there for you out of the blue so badly that you're going to feel like this person is only around you. I don't think this person, the thing that you're trying to let go of, or you feel this is over, this is done, is over yet. It's not over yet. Maybe this is the last test for you guys for this situation, because the universe keeps on testing us. When we manifest something, the universe keeps on testing us if we deserve that thing or not. That also includes past lover, past people, past situation coming back and haunting us, and then us deciding whether we are going to connect with the past energies, or we are going to like go to the next chapter, or choose the uncomfortable, the unknown path. So maybe it's the last nail on the wall. I don't know, but you will not be able to. Something from your past is going to come back around suddenly out of the blue when you will be least expecting it to happen, and you were waiting for this something to get out of your system. Instead of getting out of your system, it's going to come back to slap on your face one more time. But I am seriously getting this energy. This is the last time that you have to deal with this time. If you are going to say goodbye to the situation with a perfect energy that you are done with this is never going to come back around, and you're manifesting. It's part of your manifestation, by the way. This is your manifestation coming to fruition. This is how manifestation work. But if you're going to get stuck in the loop the way you were stuck in the situation in the past, let's play this game and keep on playing. Not good. Yep. This is a double tower. This is a sudden realization, sudden unexpected realization, sudden unexpected thing that's coming to your consciousness so that you can heal it and release it properly. It's definitely the universe testing you if you are the serious candidate to get what you want, what you really, really want to manifest in your life. If you are seriously wanting that, or you're just pretending to want that. This is just a test, honey. What are you gonna do? You're gonna pass it? Good for you. It's like depends on the collective. If the collective is going to think that we have to pass the test no matter what, then the brand new beginning is going to happen very soon. If the collective is going to feel, now let's give it one more chance, let's cry around it, let's get more lessons, then I'm sorry, I can't do anything. It's you and your collective. Pray for it. Yep. So thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.